Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I just want to show you guys what I've been working on and what I came up with. I have been using my cutting machine. You guys know I hate that thing. It is just hard to figure out. But you guys, I made some custom hair bows that I think came out super, super, super cute. Look at that. I made one for my daughter and one for her best friend. Look at those. Those are super cute. And I used my cutting machine, you guys. I used it. I didn't cut anything. I didn't do nothing. Um, this is one that I also did. This is a different one. Now, I did this one with just the cardstock paper, which is why this one doesn't have, it's not like scrunched up in the middle. It's just got that thick thing because you can't really fold it as paper. But I think this one came out awesome. And just so you know, this is vinyl, HTV vinyl. You guys, it's on there. It's not coming off of the paper. It is also on here as well. It's not coming off. I use my heat press. You guys, I just had to share that with you. Like, I'm on a whole nother thing now. I'm probably about to bust out a bunch of bowls for my kids. You could do hearts, cut out little hearts, all types of stuff. So I'm probably about to be busy doing that. But I just wanted to, share that if any of you do hair bows, or if you are a pro, unlike myself, with your cutting machine, then that is definitely something that you can do. You can, guys, sell these up in your shop. Sell, sell, sell. Just wanted to share that, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.